Hello, Mike here from your Successful Affiliate Influencer. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click the subscribe button below and then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. Today we are going to talk how to brand yourself when earning money online. When you have decided what niche you are going to sell in, your brand must reflect around your products, whether it is make money online, weight loss, mobile phones, you name it, your brand must reflect around your product. You need to stand out from the crowd. Yes, there are a lot of entrepreneurs out there selling the same programs as yourself. So I said you need to stand out from the crowd. As you see, my brand name is Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. Now you need to make sure nobody else has the same name. Now, one of the easiest way to do this is to go to GoDaddy.com, from where you can buy website names. Put the name in with the .com on the end and see if it is taken. Now, if you put a short name in, you may find that it is very expensive. When I mean expensive, I mean thousands of pounds. Yes, I am from the UK. Your country may probably be dollars. But if you've got the money, then that's great. But I doubt it. So you'll probably need to find a brand name with 4 words, no more, because you don't want too long a name, because you need people to remember your name when you brand yourself. This cost will be around £6 to £10 in English money. As I say, make sure it has the .com when you buy it. You don't need to use it if you are going to use a landing page. I use GetResponse for my landing pages. You can also register it as a company if you want in the country you live in. Then nobody else can use it. But as I said from the beginning, you need a brand name which you are building around what you are selling. People will get to know you and what you are about. So look around on YouTube and any other sites to give you inspiration on what sort of name you wish to brand yourself and make it catchy. Some people will remember it if it's catchy, so people will look for you. If you do YouTube like I do, then people will look out for you and follow you, which is what you want on YouTube. Or if you are a blogger, then you will need to use the website name for your blog. As I said, you need to brand yourself to make yourself successful. Now, I have a free ebook. See below on how to be a successful affiliate marketeer. So if you are looking to make money online and have a passive income, I'm here to help you to become successful. It does not happen overnight. A lot of people think they know how to make money straight away. Well, I'm afraid they won't. You need to study and find the right niche which suits you. If you don't know much about a niche you wish to follow, then learn all the facts you need to know. Downloading my free ebook will be a great help for you. Now, I also have a program for you which has 15 steps to success. You will see a link below this program which I do recommend. Follow this pathway to success and you will become a successful affiliate influencer. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then click the button below, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. Please leave a message below and I will get back to you if there's anything you wish to know. It also helps me to know that people are looking at my videos. This is Mike signing off from your Successful Affiliate Influencer.